This is Raksil and welcome back to my channel, and this video is review about Xdroid, the new latest Android 13 custom ROM, and the Android 13 custom ROM is rolling out for Redmi K20 Pro. Now let's see the quick review of this Xdroid custom ROM. Let's hop into settings and see here MNM is right, Xdroid XD. You get system interfaces, and under miscellaneous you get higher FPS unlock for your games and unlimited Google Photos storage. Now let's see also, and in firmware information you get to see Android 13 and the version and the security update is 5th October 2022, and the SE Linux is 10%, which is good for the security. And the socket start is newest, I guess, which from Saturday, October 2022. It's the newest socket start kernel. And now let's see the launcher. The launcher is Pixel launcher. And now let's see the performance, and this ROM is good. You get max performance. CPU throttle is at 10K, which is good. This is the Geekbench score we got here. Single score is 759 and the multi score is 2644. That is impressive score from Android 13 custom ROM. And I think you get all the Google apps here. Google One, Google Home, you get Google Duo, Google Docs, and you get Google Meet, Podcasts, Google Translate. You get all the Google stuff here. 3D mark, yes, let's see the result. Wildlife Extreme test is 884 Balkan, and the Slingshot Extreme 5814, and Wildlife Normal 3502. Alright, now let's test the safety net. Safety net, all the profile is success and there is no problem with your banking application. And in DRM info you get security level L1 wideband CDM. That is good, so there will be no problem watching video, HD videos in Netflix, Amazon, Disney, something like that. And let's see the quick setting panel. You get heads of extra dim caption, live caption, calculator, that's all. And this is the Android 13 feature. You get to see the active running application in here. And wallpaper and style settings. Let's see the theme icons. Okay, it's working perfect. And on the left corner you get Google Fit. Here it is. Okay, that's pretty much it for this video, and if you guys enjoy watching this type of content, then please like, share, subscribe the channel without any cost. It's free. I will catch you in the next one. Goodbye.